Got another beautiful morning in Yankeetown. Got a strong outgoing tide. Low tide around 9 o'clock this morning. So we're gonna make our run now while we have water. Fish the outgoing, fish a little bit of low tide. And then once the water comes back in to where it's safe enough to run again, then we're gonna probably run and get some trout or drum later. But hopefully we get a couple snook and redfish for you on Topwater. So stay tuned. Oh, that was a big snook. Keep doing it. There he is. Pause it. Twitch it. Why are they missing it? It's addicting when you get to blow up like that. Let him eat it. Don't hook it until you feel him.
Keep the pole up. Up, like that.
Look at all that bait.
Let him run. Let him do his thing. Keep your pole tight. Keep your line.
It's a big snook. Surprised he hasn't jumped though. Surprised he hasn't jumped if it's a snook. But big snooks sometimes don't jump. Maybe he's a 35 incher. You saw it?
Yeah.
So it is a snook? So it's like a 40-inch snook?
Oh, that'd be nice.
Cool!
Oh my god.
That's like a 38-inch fish.
Massive lamb right there.
Oh, it's a huge snook, dude. Oh, it's a giant snook. That's a trophy fish right there. That's a big girl. We need this fish in the boat. It's definitely not a jack. I saw it. It's a big fat snook. Like the second cast of the day.
All right, Captain.
Monster snook?
Oh my god.
It's a giant snook, dude. That's a 36-inch fish. You might run around the boat. Start putting a little bit more heat, pulling them left a little bit.
Pull him back.
Oh my god, dude. Get her head up. Get her head up. I gotta be able to see that fish.
Oh my god.
God, that thing is massive.
Oh, shit, dude. Oh my god. Oh my
God.
god.
She's not even hooked. It's not even hooked.
Oh my gosh, dude. It's right off.
She's not even hooked.
Holy crap, bro.
That's a
Get your fish, bro.
That's
Get
a
them up under the gills. Watch that lure in there. Don't let it hook you.
38-inch fish.
Holy smokes. That's a beauty. Holy cow, that just made my head. Holy smokes.
You got that thing on video?
Yes, sir.
Big old snooky going back. Big beautiful fish. See, that's a true trophy snook right there.
It's a monster.
Look how fat she is. Usually once they bite you, they... Oh, yeah, there she goes. Yep, she just bit my thumb. That's how you know she's got energy. She's pissed off. Give me my thumb back. I think she's ready. Go on. Yep, she's got some life in her. Yeah, she just gulped there. That's good. That's a redfish. I know, that was a little redfish. There's a big redfish right there. What was that? Usually when the sun comes up I go fish the mangroves, but we gotta wait till incoming tide to do that. So I'm trying to get back in here and find a deep hole to sit in and put a shrimp in it. I gotta get past all the shallow. There's a huge swirl right there. There's a bunch of reds.
There's a couple of them. There's a couple of them. It's a red. It's a nice
Big red.
Oh, yeah.
Big old
From the
redfish.
front. Yep.
Make sure that's on there tight. It's a nice 24-incher. Wait till he's on the surface. There you go.
No. In the front of him.
Head first.
Here we go. He's coming up. Hold on. Here he comes. He's coming back around. Get him. Awesome.
That's a beautiful redfish right there.
Another one right there. Oh, another one right there under the grass. Yeah.
Get him to eat it. Jiggle your shrimp. Put it right on his nose. I didn't see him take off. Oh, he's right there. He turned around. That's a hungry red. He's looking for food. Oh. What? Are you kidding me? He nudged my shrimp and didn't eat it. He's still following us.
Oh, there's a nice one right there. Right on the flat. Did you get it?
Real. God, that was nice.
Nice snook. Nice snook.
On the mud?
On the mud.
Nice fish.
Yes, sir.
I heard that gobble.
Oh, she ain't as big as his, but you know.
Wait, that one was way over.
I'm gonna stop you. You're going all day. I'm gonna let you run a little bit.
That'd be a slot fish in the season. You sight fish that sucker.
Yes, sir.
It's sitting right up in that cove.
Beautiful.
You knew
Oh,
she ate it too.
beautiful.
She started swimming at you. I'm like, she got it? Right in the corner. That looks like a slot fish.
Are we allowed to keep snook this time of year?
Nope, but it is a slot fish. Damn.
Let's get it.
Beautiful slot snook we gotta let go.
Okay.
Beautiful fish. She angry.
Oh yeah, she's biting already.
Alright, grab her tip. There she goes. Get a shrimp. That's a drum. It's a drum. Put it on his head. Right there. There's another one.
There he goes. Don't move.
Jiggle it. He just swam right over it. That was an easy opportunity. Did I tell
Oh,
you?
he just got me. He just got me. Give me another shot. Keep it tight.
Where did I tell you red was going to be?
Around the point.
You got to know where you're fishing. That's a good fish. Lift him up.
Come on. Get him in.
There he is. We got him. Another one bites the dust. He swallowed it. That's a big one.
There you go. And then grab hold of
Another big old top slot redfish.
Put your thumb inside of his mouth.
Beautiful fish.
Come on, baby. You ain't going nowhere.
He's a little small. I don't know if he's gonna make the cut.
He's still red. It's still awesome.
I don't know if he's gonna make the cut. Little dink.
We can let him go. Shoot.
A redfish. Another 16.
Oh.
He's got a big one. That's a big one too.
Damn, I didn't even know he was on there.
Keep real.
I got one too.
Oh, good job. Get him out here.
Double up on big redfish.
Ooh, baby. Oh, not the chum.
That big old red.
Nice.
Alright, open the bail. All right, which one are we gonna keep?
Well, let's get them both in the boat. Let's take double pictures.
We should net them both in the same net.
Let's get them in.
Dude, this might be overslot.
Well, this one's definitely over.
Hey, measure him real quick. Tell me how big that fish is.
All right. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get him in so we can get a good picture. This baby here is a monster. Come on, baby.
And they're right next to each other. No, that's not. This one's smaller than that one.
Yeah.
This one's smaller. That one's bigger.
Is he?
Yeah.
Slap him up there. And
26.
26.
These are
Put another
studs.
shrimp on. We'll see if we can get another one real quick.
Well, this is how red fishing's supposed to be.
This is beautiful. Double check it again, man. You know what to fuck up.
25. That one's definitely a keeper. 26 and a half. All right, this one's perfect.
Yeah, go ahead.
Letting go a nice slot redfish. Beautiful fish. All right, grab his tail, see if he'll kick. Give him a little side to side action. There he goes.
Beautiful. Another one?
Real slowly to him. There he is. He's on there.
Sweet! Oh, that's a good one. Oh, dude, he's a house.
Finally found the redfish. Now it's every cast.
I knew that was on there or something when I seen that boat down like that.
That's 4 25-inch reds in a row.
That's a nice one, bro.
They're all top slaughters. But you can't beat that. Those are quality redfish. Try to lift. Yeah, try to lift, and then reel down. Lift, reel down. There you go. That's another 24. Another 24. These are fatties.
Oh yes, clumps. Bam! Spot right there.
You guys can't even let me retie a pole. You got another big red.
Oh, he's running this way.
They're all big ones too.
Nice, dude.
If it wasn't for those two little dinks that we caught, they would have all been quality.
You got a double eye on him, one a little farther up.
You see that red I caught a couple weeks ago at 300 spots?
No.
It had 350 spots.
That's awesome.
This one's only got 3 spots. What's funny is this is the little school of red.
Justin.
Another good fish. We're letting them all go. That's a nice pompano.
Get him over here. Swing him towards me. Swing him.
Try to reel down and lift up. Like reel down and then lift up. Slowly lift them up. Nice pompano. They're strong little guys.
Can you swing him towards me? Pull, don't fight.
Flying fish! Don't break the rod. Alright, give him some line. Nice little pompano. Trolling motor's in anchor mode. There you go.
On my side, my side.
There's like 10 of them right behind him. That bigger one was right behind him. Why'd you throw that back?
I thought it was too small.
There's no limit.
Oh.
Yeah.
A little nicer.
There you go. That's a good one. That's what.
What's the pole? What's the pole?
That's what we want. There's no limit on these sand trout.
Sweet.
That's what you want for fish.
Look it up. There you go. All right.
Start chucking them in there.
Now we're talking just a little.
Thought I was kidding, huh? That's a sea trout. Don't throw him in the cooler.
Oh, okay.
You gotta watch the spots. Look at them all swarming my shrimp. I can see them all right here under the boat. Do you see all the little bayfish? You catch them on a bare hook when they get crazy. Oh, there he goes. Got him. Got him. It's a good one. Why don't you come over here, stop fishing in front of the boat. Let it drift down the current. Because they're gonna...
Or two. Keep them or what?
It made it sound like a huge trout. That's a sand trout. A little small. Oh. First cast with artificial, a big trout. Put a
Nice speckled trout.
yeah. Nailed him with the lure. Just hit him with it. There's our slam. I forgot. I mean, he does touch 15. It's not worth it. It's exactly 15. That was the first cast with artificial though. I just don't like that these brown ones never last more than like 2 casts. The white ones last so much longer.
There's some adult ones in there.
There you go. That's a terrible sling.
Definitely. You keeper?
That's iffy. Same size as mine.
Alright, get them up there and get the measurement on them.
That's a good one. He not?
No?
I don't know. No, he's smaller than mine. 14 and a half. Those gotta be 15.
Oh, I'm hating.
That's a big one. Come on,
Get
Beast.
him in the boat. Sling him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Drop it. Drop it.
Yeah. There he is. That's a good one.
Oh, trout is tearing this up.
Yeah, the trout love it. It's a big trout.
Yeah.
That's a bigger sand trout.
That's a nice sand trout. Hell yeah. Now you know how to catch the bigger one.
He's got that huge mackerel. Flip him in. He's huge. Holy cow. That's a big spanny.
Yeah, I've been watching you.
Yeah, he kept swimming by the boat.
Oh yeah.
Trout, get him in. Flip him. There's our trout. Nice. Your shrimp just went flying in the water. Finally a keeper. Don't let him fall in the water. About time.
Oh, nice one.
Oh, it's right there on the surface. He's huge.
Nice!
Is that a huge mackerel or a shark?
Oh no, I can't even see it yet.
Oh, it's right there. It looks like a huge Spanish.
Keep them on there, baby. Keep them on there.
I got a big trout on. I'm trying to get it out of your way and there's a trout.
Oh my god!
The bite is on!
I think that's a kingfish. Oh my god, that looks like a king.
Oh my god, help him get it.
Look how big it is.
Oh, let me see. Oh my god, let's get the net.
That looks like a baby king.
Let's get the net. Get him over here.
Watch that rod. Don't let that rod go in.
Here, hold this rod.
That's not a kingfish, is it? Oh, it's got spots. It's a Spanish.
Get over this way. Forward, back this way.
It's a giant Spanish.
Nice!
I think the biggest I've ever seen was 27 to the fork. He's 25 to the fork.
Nice trout. You know what I'm saying?
You've had one on too? Catch them 2 at a time. Mine's bigger than yours.
We're out here.
And they're all nice sea trout.
Back there behind the boat.
Yeah, that was the first cast with the gulp. I didn't even move it and he swallowed it. He was hungry.
Nice sea trout over there.
Big old trout. These are big trout.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're getting much.
Flip him in the boat. Flip him in the boat.
Not quite a keeper. They're all 14 and a half.